A make or break moment for Pepe Coin is happening right now in the charts. Let's discover it. Let's see what's gonna happen now for Pepe Coin. So as we've seen in the last video, we are at a minor milestone here for Pepe. And as we've seen in the previous video, right now Pepe Coin is struggling to pass through this resistance area here, as we've seen here. The 17 to the 20 area, where we can see here the price clustering around this zone here, which means that there is a lot of orders liquidity. And as we've seen also in the previous video, the funding rate plays a major role here, because now Pepe Coin is on major exchanges being traded in derivative trading and future trading, meaning that a lot of people are trying to short the move up, which was the trigger that got us pumping in the first place here and squeezed all the shorts. And now we went to the stop losses here, exactly as we've seen in the previous video. So if you listened, you were exactly warned about everything that's gonna happen with Pepe Coin right now. And as I said, we're gonna go up here, take some stops, and we're still waiting for the stops in this area to get taken. So now, so far as we see that funding rate here for Pepe is cooling off, meaning that a lot of shorts are closing right now, but it's still negative, still meaning that we still have few big shorts left in the market shorting Pepe Coin right now, which could still push the price higher. As we know, when price moves a little bit, that causes a short liquidation, which means all the shorts are piled up here, making the funding negative. This would cause the price to get higher. For now, the price targets we've got for Pepe Coin is still the same, as I'm waiting for this area here to get taken. Also, we still got the same support area as I said in the previous video. So for now, as far as we see here for Pepe Coin, when it comes to technical analysis and price action, we're still ranging. Now if we remove everything from the chart, it looks like some sort of a pullback happening again on Pepe, and this could also signify another low here. Maybe go back up here for another try for this level before we move to the major highs here and ultimately they put up a new high here. So now, as we can see, all those people that were crying on Twitter or everywhere that they did not get a chance to buy Pepe Coin, well, now we may get a chance, as we're approaching again the support level, to keep an eye on. And especially as I showed you in the previous video, if the funding rate cools off completely and this becomes a positive funding, which would be a 0.0100%, this means that wherever we are, that all the shorts are out of the market and it is now a more healthy price action for Pepe. And this would give us this support area here around the 10 and 11 level on Pepe Coin. This, in my opinion, should hold, and this means that we could be trading on a downward channel like that, which is usually a bullish pattern, that we do this and this and then we break up, taking everyone here out, and then we move up. Those are the levels I'm keeping an eye on now, right now. As far as Pepe goes, keep in mind that any major news right now could send the price higher. As long as we see that the funding rate is negative, these shorts that are trapped right now on Pepe are standing on a rough edge, meaning that any minor push up here would squeeze them and then send the price higher, liquidating the shorts and then sending the price higher for Pepe. Now this is the levels I'm looking for right now. Stay tuned for more updates, subscribe, and if you want to know more about how to trade cryptocurrencies, watch this video here. Cheers.